Hello guys, today we have a work a BMW 3 Series 2007 spare key. We'll have to remove the case in order to do the key. This is our case. This is the one. So I have to remove it from there. Right, that's our case out. So I'll use VDI Prog. We go immobilizer, BMW, CAS 3, 0L15Y. This is most of the time this is the right chip, 0L15Y. We check on our connection diagram. And solder the cables of our MC9S12 adapter that goes into VDI Prog. I'll do that quickly. Alright, everything is connected. Now we go read. That's it, our file is read. So we save. In order to program the key and read the car ICN from our spare key, we're going to use Tango. Go car model, BMW, cars, CAS. Now we select our file. You see you need to decrypt the data, valid keys necessarily, or ECU dump. We don't need the dump or ICN. You have a key, select this, we place our key into the VDI Prog and click OK. Now we select any key number we want to program, place the key, and we press write the specified type. This is the key we have. Press OK. It's gonna write and give us the file back, but we don't need it, so I usually save it just in case it doesn't work. We don't have to put it back, it's gonna start the car anyways. So assemble everything back to the car and we'll try to start it. Okay, everything is installed back. Now let's check if our key is gonna work. Place it into ignition. That's it, the key has been recognized by the car. And now started. Everything good. Same as our remote. It should work. Locks. And once again, starts the car.